Hello, welcome back to the April trading series. Today we are going to do the analysis of GBP and Euro USD, what we saw today in the charts. Today is 18th April and time is 6 p.m. and so we are going to watch what we had today. As you can see that the price is currently going up and we expected the price to go down from the weekly balance price range according to our Sunday's video. But Monday frames the overall price action for the whole week, and when we see Monday we changed our bias towards buying, and today was also our bias was aligned to buying side, even though we had an SMT of highs. But let's see. So I want you all to understand what I say, because these are the learnings which I have done from my past 6 years of experience in the trading, and it was a very harsh journey for me, because I can understand how it feels for the beginners, because we don't have the right content actually, and we also don't know that what is right and what is wrong in trading. So this is my 6 years of experience which I am going to share with you, and all the videos will contain some parts of understandings which I'll share like I do in my weekly analysis videos, which you can see, and even today I'm going to share some concepts. So watch all my videos. So I want you all to focus on this candle. What date is 17th April, yesterday's candle, yesterday's daily closing. Okay, so this is a bullish closing, as you can see, and in Euro USD, let me remove this. Okay, this one candle, let me mark it for you. This candle, 17th April, as you can observe that it is a bearish closing, and this candle is a bullish closing. So this is a precision swing point, and in precision swing point we are going to trade it, and I cannot share the exact process of trading the precision swing points, but I'll explain you that some points, like under the closing of the price we will mark, over here is the closing of this daily candle. I have marked it out in red, and now what I will be doing is I will go to the low time frames, and I will find some confirmations on the basis of which I can take a trade in it. Let's go to the lower time frame, like first 4 hourly. So I was observing the market today, and as you can see, this is a central bank dealing range, this is Asia range, this is London, this is NY AM session and NY PM session. So these are the sessions which I have as an indicator marked. This is the red line we have drawn from the closing of previous day, and you can observe price, this was an Asia session, and as you know that Euro USD and GBP USD, they have manipulation moves in London and a continuation in NY session. So we actually don't trade this Asia session as much, but sometimes I do. But as you can see that in Asia session what happened was, first I took the NY AM session liquidity over here, then it went down, tapped the closing price, but it was Asia session which was not a key time for trading, and so I avoided all of this, and I was also sleeping at this time, so I cannot trade this. Then after that we went towards here what happened was very curious, because we took the Asian low liquidity plus the CBTR liquidity, and we also tap the downside, the closing price over here, the red line, you remember. But we got a market structure shift over here. These are the fake moves in the Frankfurt session. So I avoided this also because I was watching market at this place, but I avoided it because first of all we don't have the SMT confirmation, and second that it's not our key time to trade. Only I prefer in London or NY session. NY session also very less because of the news volatility, and we cannot trade newses in the funded account, so it's a problem for me. But it's good because when people trade the newses, it's most of the time it's gambling. And for beginners I will prefer that you don't see the newses, you just avoid them, directly avoid them. And whenever you have to trade the markets and it's the news time, for example it's 11 a.m. NY session, then prefer that you trade it after at least 30 minutes and watch the confirmations first. What I do is I mark out the confirmations like here. You can also do this in TradingView and here GBPs. Whenever I trade, I jot down my confirmations before I trade. So in this way we can see that how many confirmations are aligned. I prefer basically 4 to 5 confirmations to align before taking a trade. So if you check over here, so this was not a key time, we avoided it 100%. Then we can see that those SMT traders, smart money traders, who tried to look smarter, they entered over here watching the market structure shift. Entered over here, you can see these green candles, they're buying orders, and the next candle to take all their SLs over here. See, so that's why I'm saying that trade only multiple number of confirmations. Don't just see any market structure shift and take a trade. So this happens. Now what I saw was I was perfectly into this, but if I will show you the Forex factory and today's newses, then you will understand that why I didn't trade today. So you can check it. It's Friday, April 18. So it's a bank holiday for all the pairs, NZD, AUD, Euro and GBP. So Euro and GBP were bank holidays. So I didn't had any mood of trading today, because in bank holidays, see, this is happening. You can see the wicks and the gaps forming in M5 candles. See this, observe this price, and I have made a small notebook where I jot down my observations from the price of that day. So this was also my observation, that in bank holidays the price tend to consolidate. You can say this, all consolidation. Here was a liquidity sweep plus turtle soup, and so you can check it. So what were my confirmations to take a trade over here? Though I didn't trade today, but it was according to my setup, and the TP tend to hit over here. So what was my confirmation is that first of all, this was a liquidity sweep. All the smart money traders who were trapped over here, who entered over here, their SLs hit. Then we had price dropping below the opening price of the previous candle, which was our precision swing point. So when price enters in the wick of the precision swing point candle, then we tend to buy the positions. So yes, this was second confirmation. Price was below the daily open, the 2-day open, the 00 GMT. Third confirmation, and this was a precision sequential SMT. If you check it, see 255, this candle, this is the same candle, and you can see Asia low is not taken yet, but see over here the Asia low is taken already, and the price even took the liquidity of this very candle. So this was a confirmation, sequential SMT. Yeah, so in this scenario what I can do is just enter at the closing of this candle SL over here, because a precision swing point supported by sequential SMT candle was this with 4 confirmations. And you can say that Asia liquidity is also confirmation, so yeah, 4 to 5 confirmations we had over here. Price, then these are the strong swing lows which are not tend to be liquidated easily. They are liquidated only when the other end of liquidity is being swept. So these are very strong lows on which I work. We have to find strong lows and strong highs. That's how we trade the reversals. So yeah, price trend to go up and up, and we can hold this till the NY closing, because NY tend to be a continuation. NY is a continuation, and I expect the price to go higher to these highs, because you can see that there is no purge of liquidity, and it's just a pending liquidity left over here. Pending liquidity. See these, price will go up and take all these liquidities. These are the price magnets. So this was my view of the day, and this is our trade precision swing points. This is all for today, and do let me know that in what language or what concepts you want to learn from me, and do comment. Thank you for watching my video, and we will bring similar videos explaining you more concepts. Do ask questions in the comments. Thank you.